How to clear cache in the Alibaba app. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to clear the cache in your Alibaba app. Clearing the cache can help the app run more smoothly and free up storage space on your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Alibaba app. Launch the Alibaba app on your device. Once it's open, tap on My Alibaba, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Access settings. At the top right corner of the My Alibaba page, you'll see a gear icon, the settings icon. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Clear the app cache. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Clear App Cache. Tap on it, and a confirmation message will appear. Step 4. Confirm and clear. When prompted, tap Yes to confirm. The app cache will be cleared instantly, optimizing the app's performance and freeing up some space on your device. And that's it. Clearing the Alibaba app cache is quick and easy, and it can make a big difference in how smoothly the app runs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.